Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, we are going to be doing a quick speed clean of the house. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on so you never miss a new video. I post all kinds of cleaning motivation, home makeovers on a budget, and more. Now with all that being said, let's get at it and get it done. I like to start in the kitchen first and get it clean. I just find that it motivates me to want to get the rest of the house clean and tidy.
Wish I could sleep, dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now
My bathroom ain't terrible because I just did a major deep clean in it the other day, so I'll make sure to link that video below so you can check it out.
I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world.
Instead of buying trash bags for your smaller trash cans, just use the bags that your groceries come in. I know the grocery bags ain't scented or a pretty color, but hey, it ain't gotta be pretty or smell good. It's just to hold in trash, and you'll save money by not buying small trash bags.
Follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say, you will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time.
please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start.
If you notice the patches on the walls, they have been like that for a while. The holes and dings on the walls for the most part are all patched and ready to be painted. So stay tuned because a dining room makeover is in the works.
Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box, I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
Thank y'all so much for watching. I just want y'all to know that I really appreciate and love every single one of you, and I hope this video motivated you to get at it and get it done. And if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure to check out my other videos. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!